Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley online. First, ensure all players have a stable internet connection and the game installed on the same platform. Stardew Valley supports up to 8 players on PC and up to 4 on consoles and mobile devices. Remember, cross-platform play is not supported, so everyone needs to be on PC or all on Switch, for example. This ensures a smooth and connected farming experience for everyone involved. To host a new multiplayer farm, simply choose Co-op from the title screen, then select Host New Farm. If you're inviting friends to an existing single-player farm, visit Robin the Carpenter to build a cabin for each additional player. These cabins are built instantly and are quite affordable. Keep in mind that the host system stores the farm's save file, meaning the farm hands can only access the world when the host is online and playing. Joining a friend's farm is straightforward. From the main menu, select Co-op and then Join. On PC, farms hosted by your Steam or GOG Galaxy friends should appear. Alternatively, the host can provide an invite code, which you'll enter on the Join screen. For console players, an active online subscription, such as PlayStation Plus or Nintendo Switch Online, is typically required to join remote multiplayer games. Ensure you're all friends on your respective platforms. Multiplayer Stardew Valley offers unique challenges and opportunities. Remember that time continues to flow even when you're in your inventory or fishing, unlike single-player mode. To maintain game balance, especially with more players generating income, you can adjust the farm's profit margin when setting it up. This affects item prices and can be set to 25%, 50%, or 75% of the base value. For staying refreshed during long gaming sessions, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your shared farming adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.